Well, this is my new cousin. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. You just want to touch everybody. There's my dog. What are you doing? There's my pool. There's my float. There's my chicken. And there's my horse pasture. My horses are over here. Hold on, I gotta go show everybody my horse. Just about. There's my horse right there. Blaze! Blaze! There he is. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Let's go. Right here. Come on. He's coming. Slowly but surely. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, buddy. What are you doing? And then I have a pony. He's really short. Let's go to him. Bye, Blaze. Ow, I just stepped on rocks without shoes. Okay. This is Woody. Hey, buddy. Don't eat me. You ain't gonna eat me. I don't know where her cat is, or my cat. You in here, Mr. Cat? No, he's not. Oh, there he is. I see him. Hold on. This is the chicken house. It's my cat. Scary. Well, I'm going back inside. Hope you like my video.